What's going on, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, the Bakkt warehouse is open and they are going to be going live with trading on the 23rd, which is Monday. A lot of people are concerned about that date. So we're going to talk about this event and where Bitcoin is in the cycle and the implications of that. So let's dive into this video. Guys, just as a reminder, we have specials running for a little while longer here. Promo code FALL will give you 40% off if you just want our money maker indicator. Otherwise, you can check out these specials. All right, guys, let's dive into this video and check it out.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys, let's talk about Bakkt. There's a lot of people that think there's a big move coming on the 23rd. That is a calendar cycle date. I think that's a GAN date. And also, the Bakkt futures are launching. A lot of people are afraid that when Bakkt goes live, much like CME goes live, we're going to see a big sell-off. I will note that it's a little bit different this time around because Bakkt's been baked in for a long time. The CME futures was kind of like the end of that halving cycle peak. You know, that's a cyclical peak that everything ran up into. So they kind of, when they opened those futures up, that was also a timely area where post-halving peaks happen. So you had that going against the price of Bitcoin at that time, and it was also the peak of the retail FOMO crowd. Now you've got a pre-halving cycle. You've got Bakkt. Now everyone's been talking about Bakkt for a really long time. So this has been coming for a really long time. I think this is well priced in. They're going to open up their warehousing. But you know, keep in mind, institutional investors have been using things like Coinbase custody and other services, even GBTC fund, to be exposed to Bitcoin. So this isn't like some earth-shattering thing here. I honestly think there might be some funky moves on the 23rd, but as far as like rolling the entire move over and breaking down out of this consolidation, I really don't think that's going to happen. What you're going to find is that as long as we're still in this consolidation pattern, which I expect to continue for a few more days, we're going to play the fade the funding game like we talked about in the previous video. And simply what that means is those that are long on the BitMEX futures platform, is indicated by this indication of what's being funded. So if the long side is being funded, the downside is the risk is to the downside. And then when they flip short, the risk is to the upside. So currently things are still long, and this is going to continue to roll over most likely until this flips short, and then you can get a bounce. So that's the game that's being played right now, and I can expect that to continue. All right, guys, that's it. Just a quick video. I just wanted to update you on my thoughts on Bakkt and price action relative to Bitcoin. So we will update things after the 23rd, see how this week shapes up, and we'll give you an outlook after that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Trade Genius.